Hello everyone, welcome to month 5 of the £10 workshop challenge. If you don't know the rules of this, just go back to the first one. I explain everything. So I'm just going to go through the pickups that I got for this month. So I got some cocktail sticks. Prices will be here, by the way. I got some minis, just to start adding minis to the bits box. More specifically, these are the bolt action US Airborne from Warlord Games 2016, if you're interested, on eBay. I also got some coffee stirrers, and they appear to be torn open. I also got some birch seeds, you know, the ones that look like tiny little leaves. I got some of those, but annoyingly they haven't arrived. Also, I got something else, which I can't remember, but it will be here. So yes, and the plan is, for this month, I'm going to build some kind of piers. Yeah, maybe like a little pier with a nice little bridge. And if you remember my portal gate magic door build, I'm going to build some standing torches to sit on the end of the pier as well. Okay, so I hope you're looking forward to that. I am also going to make a very, very cheap wash. So there's a few things to look out for. So, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Don't forget that little notification bell. If you would like to support the channel, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can do it via Patreon, or now you can choose to buy me a coffee. All links will be in the comments and description below. Let's get started. there we have the finished Pier sections. I quite like these. I decided to put the standing torches in the middle, just so I didn't have to worry about where they would join up, so they can go anywhere really. But yeah, I like these. I reckon they look cool. Again, like my magic portal, I kind of like these, so I don't think I'm going to sell them. Plus, they're kind of the way I've been built. These might easily break off in postage. I think next time, or if you plan on making some yourself, maybe use something like balsa wood for these, and maybe just do a couple of cross beams just so it supports that, or even pin them. But yeah, this was just done with, you know, coffee stirrers for the £10 workshop challenge. But yeah, I think they look really cool. I like them. Anyway, also, technically this could also be classed as a request build, because Fallout Gamer requested I do some Pier sections, I believe. So that's one to cross off the list. Fallout Gamer, if you like Fallout 4, very, very entertaining little videos posts up, very, very interesting little stories. So if you like Fallout 4, go check out Fallout Gamer. I will post the link down in the comments and in the description below. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. Just let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications and you will never miss a thing. And I will see you next time. Bye for now, folks.